Mabuhay ug madaya, we welcome you back here sa ating ongoing coverage for the 66th edition of Palarong Pambansa live here inside the EOC Evacuation Center at Patinay, Prosperidad Agusan del Sur for the quarter-final match day of our secondary basketball event. This time, it's quarterfinals number 2 between Region 4A, the Calabarzon Southern Tagalog Regional Athletic Association. They're up against Region 1 or Ilocos Region, as Region 1 won the triple tie by the rules and guidelines na inilabas ng DepEd. Sila po ang umabante. They beat Eastern Visayas and Caraga on that triple tie, and itong Southern Luzon was the top seed for Bracket D with a spotless record of 3-0 in the group stages. They're being led by their main guy for Calabarzon, number 71. They call him the Punisher. It's Direk Duterte, who had an excellent preliminary stages. Also, as well, itong si number 4 Panaligan, who had also a hot shooting yesterday over their win to secure the top seed in Bracket D. Davao Region already advancing into the semifinals later on. At first semifinals match will be at 4 p.m. and the second one will be around 4 p.m. So based on the bracket, Davao Region will play as the second semifinalist. So that will be around 6 p.m. Babang ito namang Southern Tagalog and Region 1, they will face the winner after this game. These two teams, Region 1 and Calabarzon, will face the winner of the next game between Central Luzon and Western Visayas. So Western Visayas, the reigning silver medalist. There's a push shot. No good. Second effort. Yes, that's in. Para kay Narvasa. Check that. That's number 13, Tandok. There's two Tandok para sa Ilocos. There's number 7 and number 13. Probably they might be siblings. Let me know in the comment section if ano niya yung isang Tandok. But Region 1 here, despite that rough loss against Davao Region on Monday, they were clumped and stomped by 62 points. They still advance in the quarterfinals. Their only loss, they had a triple tie nga against Eastern Visayas, Caraga, and Region 1 at 2-2 on their standings. But sila ang aabante dito. Direk Duterte will have his first visit on the free throw line. He comes off the bench and kita nga ng coach na medyo struggling yung kanyang team on the offensive side. So pinasok niya kaagad itong one of his key guys, Direk Duterte, who's on the line para sa dalawang tira. Duterte makes 2 out of 2 on that visit. Check that. He's 1 out of 2. Here's Region 1. Handoff pass. Fast break opportunity. Nice play. Tandok with an easy finish. Region 1 taking advantage on the overlap on that quick transition play on the open court. Panaligan was on point from the 3-point area kahapon. Mapipituhan ng foul dito si Subri Caray. That's number 1 of Ilocos Region. Yes, that's Reinhardt Panaligan, number 4 with colorful yellow hair. Here comes Southern Tagalog on their set. Yes. Knocked out of bounds. Knocked away. So last touchdown ng Region 1. Here's the post play para kay Duterte. They go for the kick out pass to Panaligan. There's a curl off the pin down. Attacks the baseline. Extra feed to Luge. But Luge got denied on his entry. So that's gonna be 24-second shot clock violation para dito sa Calabarzon. They're down 3 here on So we're back to live action now. Dito pa rin tayo sa J Project Sports Facebook page as we bring this game closer to your home, and we sincerely apologize also for some technical issues, technical delays. We had some internet interruptions here inside the EOC Evacuation Center. So we are asking for your consideration. We're back live now. Region 1 and Region 4A battling it out. It's a 6-point lead for the boys in white and red ng Calabarzon. It has been a neck-to-neck battle. So we have a very close game. We have very close affairs so far. This close from start up until to this moment. There's a foul being whistled. That's gonna be 2 free throws kasi penalty na ang dalawang teams natin. Either of the teams now over the limit. So the free throws here coming for Calabarzon. This is number 7 of Calabarzon, Senyo. Missing. Makes the second. Tandok. His pass read well by Senyo. Senyo down the other side of the court. Alaw steps through. Banker, no good. Duterte trying to keep that ball alive. Alaw again. Wild shot. No. Down the other end. It's a foul for Ilocos, and there's a man down for Region 1. A team from Divine Word Academy of Dagupan. Two free throws coming here for Caballero, number 3 of Region 1. Both teams now over the limit. So dalawang shots, 2 free throws for Caballero, and he misses that one. Second shot here for Caballero. Makes it. Another foul has been whistled, so we have another stoppage of play here. So free throws pa rin this time for Calabarzon. This has been a long second quarter. They're not both of the teams really putting up physicalities as well as foul. So this time it's Hapay on the line for 2 shots. Hapay makes the second. Narvasa tatawid ng bola. A very slow first half of action, especially dito sa second quarter. He says 3, plants his feet, goes for the layup, short. Duterte for the rebound. Duterte with a heads up running start. Up ahead to Hapay, layup too strong. And rebound secured by Region 1. Narvasa inside pass, goes for a step back here. Wala yon. Rebound, fight for the battle, same ball. So it will remain in the hands of Region 1. Oh, but that is a foul. Thought I was just gonna go out. So more free throws coming now para kay Oka, number 24, one of their centers, one of their slot man inside. So Oka makes the first throw. Region 4A with a sweep on their group stage against CAR, Central Visayas, and Soxorgen. Habang itong Ilocos region splits their 4 games in Group A So we have a timeout here with exactly 91 seconds in the second quarter. Rebound. It's Senyo coming up with that, goes over the finger roll, puts it in. And a steal here, Mamawag. Extra pass of Iron, rebound. It's Sobrikaray. For Ilocos, goes all the way to the cup, that's good. And another timeout, another stoppage of play here. For Southern Tagalog, Calabarzon calls timeout with 1:03 left in the second quarter. We go back to the ball game with under a minute to play here in the second quarter, and that is a sloppy turnover. You don't want to see that after the timeout. That's an unforced turnover para sa Calabarzon. They're holding on to the 7-point lead as they want to go and advance into the semifinals later on this afternoon. Narvasa, quick inbounds, knocked out of bounds. So they will, the winner of this game will face the winner of next game, will be the Western Visayas and Central Luzon. And a quick steal here, Mamawag, layup is good. Mamawag continues his excellent driving performance here in this one, and here's another steal. Shot inside, leaning in. It's not gonna make it, but free throws coming here for one of their slot man. We apologize again for the technical delays. Lots of interruptions here in our technical side, but we're trying and doing our best to keep up. To catch up with the action here. So muli humingi kami ng paumanhin dito sa aming side sa J Project Sports for technical issues and technical problems. Even the internet interruption we're facing as you take a look at the score here, 70-85. It has been a strong performance para dito sa Calabarzon, able to knock home a 13-point lead now. Still plenty of basketball left. 13-point lead para sa Calabarzon. Ilocos knocking on the door. They would want a comeback here. And also for our next game, okay, mawawala, and hopefully ayos na itong internet connection na we're facing. It's gonna be a battle of the heavyweights next game. It is Western Visayas going up against Central Luzon for the quarterfinals matchup. Only one, isa lang ang aabante. Calabarzon, or Region 4A, wants to be the second team to be in the quarterfinals matchup together alongside with Davao. Oh, that cuts the lead to 10. It's a 3 from Sobrikaray. Region 4A now looks to bounce back, counter the tide. It's a 10-point game. It's Calabarzon in control all throughout the game. Mula sa simula hanggang ngayon, it has been Calabarzon dictating the tempo. Region 4A wants to be the second quarterfinals alongside the Davao region to be in the semifinals later today. And up next will be the Western Visayas and Central Luzon. Z3 from Panaligan. Won't fall. Heavily contested. Here's the shot. Wala pa rin. Ilocos wants to keep the crowd alive and favor them. Kasi yun nga, di silang humahabol dito after being down by big, but that's an alley play from Direct Duterte. Excellent pass also para kay Mamuwag. That's number 3, Mamuwag, with the pass to Direct Duterte. Inside pass, good seal down low. No help defense coming, but the poor finish. Unable to get that point. Panaligan. Slowing things down here para sa Region 4A. They know they're leading and have the upper hand. Duterte sneaks away. Duterte will shoot free throws here. That's a powerful steal down low. He saw the mismatch. And this defender, nothing much to do on that. Excellent positioning down low para kay Direct Duterte. That's gonna be the 5th personal foul for Oka. And Oka will head to the bench. Might be his last minutes of, I don't know anong grade na niya, baka ito na yung last playing year niya, but yep, that's gonna be the 5th team foul to give, a 5th personal foul for Oka. Direct Duterte, 2 out of 2 on the line. Region 1 off the press here from Calabarzon, able to get it through to one of their guys, but that pass telegraphed by San Diego. He already steps out of bounds. Ilocos will keep the possession. Caballero will do the inbound. Here's Sobricaray off the pick. Goes to the other side. Sneaks in for the layup. That's an open layup para kay Sobricaray. Nice pick and roll. As the roller attracting some attention on that play. Panaligan, shifty move, but shipped by Sobricaray. Layup. Nailang sa presensya ni Panaligan. Nice drop pass. Broken. Mamuwag. Lalabas muna and Panaligan will burn away some clock. Here's a 3 open para kay Mayor. Mayor. Nice fake by San Diego. He's gonna go to the line for 2 shots. San Diego gets to the line of that fake. Nice fake para kay San Diego on that play. Able to get the defender on into the air. Hindi nga lang papasok ang kanyang tira, but he gets fouled and clipped on the way up. San Diego calmly sinks the first. Excellent free throw shooting here for Region 4A. They're able to capitalize on their charity stripes. There's a long 3 for Narvaza around the rim. It's out. Recolosado, wala pa rin. And rebound finally secured here by Mamuwag. Mamuwag magtatawid ng bola. He's eyed closely here by Narvaza with 3:30 left in the last frame. It has been a long game for this one. Here's a 3 for Mayor. Couldn't get it to fall. Didn't even hit the rim. Forward pass. Oh, an unsportsmanlike foul. And some heated exchange here for Ilocos and Region 4A. There's an unsportsmanlike foul na itawag. It's gonna go against Ilocos. So this will be 2 free throws plus ball possession. Take a look at the mayor of Loreto, Agusan del Sur on your screens. So another fouled out player para sa Ilocos. Panaligan will shoot 2 free throws on the line. There's a ball possession. As the ball possession will remain in the hands of Southern Tagalog. The Region 4A. It's Panaligan on the line now. Two shots. His first shot is good. So Region 4A will face, basically if they hold on to this lead, which most likely will happen, they will face the winner of the next game between Western Visayas and Central Luzon. That is a 2 heavyweight clash after this game. A lot of fans anticipating that matchup, kaya we're still at a full house here inside the EOC Evacuation Center. Maraming fans nag-aabang makita ng dalawang bigating teams going right up against each other as Mamuwag attacks the heart of the defense. Sobrikaray drops it. Nice pass and an and one opportunity here. Basket is good as Urbano. That's that one in. It's a nice play by Sobrikaray to drop it. Oh! Another unsportsmanlike foul. Another unsportsmanlike foul being called here. And timeout is whistled. And under 3 minutes to play here in the fourth quarter. 16-point lead for Calabarzon. And that unsportsmanlike foul will be called against Ilocos number 1. That's Sobrikaray. So he's done for the day. That is his 5th personal foul. And Isidro looks to capitalize again on that unsportsmanlike foul. So within the last 2 minutes of action, there's 2 unsportsmanlike foul na itawag against Ilocos. So playing physical as of the moment are the team from the Northern Luzon, the Raging Bulls as they call themselves. Habang itong Region 4A keeping their cool, holding on to this 16-point lead as they will look to advance into the semifinals later this afternoon. They'll go up against either Western Visayas or Central Luzon. There's an exciting matchup to see. Isidro thought about it. Lalabas muna. Senyo, extra feed to Mamuwag for the corner 3. No good, and ball is out. Will remain in the hands. We'll go back to Ilocos possession here. Tandok hands it off. Urbano looks for some opening now. There's a drive, kick out. Off the bounce, they go. There's a bump, but no foul will be whistled. This ball retains in the hands of Region 1. Inbound pass gets into the hands of Urbano. Quick 3. Yun papasok. Ball is out. Almost a steal there. And he get his hands on it. Oh, what a steal. Great effort. Narvaza running up down the court. Last 2 minutes of action left here for the second game, the second quarterfinals matchup of the day between Region 1 and Southern Tagalog. Third game is being anticipated by most fans here. And also our fourth quarterfinals match between NCR and Region 10. It's the North Min Stars of Northern Mindanao facing against the Metro Stars of National Capital Region. That's the last team foul to give for Calabarzon. They're over the limit after their next foul. That is a bad pass. And a turnover. A quick double coming here for Calabarzon. Kicks it out. Isidro lines up a three. Too strong. Fight for the rebound. Forward pass to Narvaza. Narvaza will step back for a three-pointer. He rims out. Narvaza again. Dropped. Here's Urbano. Will line up a three with his own shot. It's gonna be a miss. Urbano drives baseline, steps, pull up jumper, no good. And Isidro collects the rebound. It's a 16-point game here. Calabarzon will waste a lot of time. Region 1 still not done defending. They don't want to give up their hopes, their last chances, last moments here in the Palarong Pambansa. Under a minute to play. We're down to the last minute, seconds to play in the ball game, especially in the fourth quarter. So 2 shots. Luge this time goes back to the line. Region 4A will take as much rest as they can as they prepare for their battle later this afternoon around 4 p.m. The winner of this one, most likely Calabarzon, na harapin nila ang mananalo sa next game. They will be the first sila yung unang lalaban sa semifinals mamaya. They will be semifinals number 1. Yung ating SF1 mamaya will be Southern Luzon, and the winner of the next game. So sila ang unang maglalaban sa semifinals mamayang hapon. And the second game will be the Davao region and the winner of our quarterfinals number 4 between NCR and the North Min Stars of Cagayan. Here's the trap here. 40 seconds. Calabarzon wasting a lot of time. There's another foul. Isidro heads back to the line for 2 more shots. They're fixing some wet spots here as Isidro prepares to take 2 more at the line. And Isidro makes the first. Two out of 2 on his visit. Locos still not giving up playing. They have to realize that the game might be over. fouling continues here for Ilocos. His fans anticipating the next game, the next matchup between Western Visayas. The team from Iloilo will go up against the team from Pampanga. No good on the second free throw. As we're wrapping things up here on the garbage time. And Ilocos finally realizes the game is over. So it's a win here for Region 4A, the Southern Tagalog region. Calabarzon, the team from Antipolo, will advance into the semifinals at the expense of the team from Dagupan, the Region 1. Will go home highest, proud of themselves, held high. Guys, now prepare for the next game. Take a look at the final score of this one. It's 85-99. It's a 14-point win. Still in dominant fashion, winning the Region 4A, winning this one. And as they advance in the semifinals later this afternoon, will face the winner of the next game. Diyan naman po kayo, magbabalik po kami. And after that one will be the Western Visayas and the Central Luzon for another quarterfinals matchup.